Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Sagittarius July the 24th to July the 27th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, kung nagla-live din po tayo doon, pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo maabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the questions answerable by yes or no po. No? So, Sagis, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So parang nakakita ko dito na parang naghihinala kayo, nakakapaghinala kayo, no? Parang sinasabi nyo, ay, either ginogoyo ako ng taong to, niloloko ako ng taong to, or merong, kumbaga, iba yung ipinapakita ng tao doon sa nararamdaman ninyo. Parang, it's either too good to be true, no? Kung sobrang bait ng tao, parang meron kayong, iba yung datingan nito, no? Iba yung hindi ako naniniwala, no, sa mga galaw niya, no? You already have some doubts. I believe that your doubts are correct in here because this is somewhat your gift of intuition is being heightened. I feel like meron talagang push, meron talagang message na sinasabi na this is not or whatever the decision is, no, this is not yung outcome is gonna be in favor of you. I feel like meron din ditong mga tao, no, especially when it comes to work. May mga taong parang pinaplastic ka lang, no. I feel like there's people who wants to get some information from you, and sooner or later they're gonna use this against you. So, Sagis, medyo mag-ingat-ingat dito sa, lalo na when it comes to work, naku, sumasakit ang ulo ko. Parang merong, parang pumipintig-pintig siya, no? Kaninong Sagittarius to, let me know sa comment section. With the Nine of Wands, Three of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Eight of Cups, parang gusto mong iwasan ito, no? Parang gusto mong sabihin sa kanya na hindi mo naman masabi directly, no? Parang lumayo ka sa akin. Hindi ko gusto yung dating ng energy mo, no? Kapag malapit ka sa akin. For a few numbers of you, you might have some energy vampires that's lurking around you per se. Hindi mo ba yun napapansin na parang kapag kausap mo siya or malapit ka lang sa kanya, nung parang drain na drain yung energy mo, parang hapong-hapo ka, no? Well, hindi ka naman pagod, no? Hindi ko sinasabi na kailangan isisi natin to sa lahat, pero try mo minsan, no? Try mo minsan na lumayo sa kanya. Mapapansin mo, ang sigla mo naman, no? I feel like when it comes to sa relationship, I feel like you are not being inspired anymore with your person. Probably you're thinking, should I distance myself, no, with my person? Especially at this current moment, I feel like medyo nadadamay ka. These burdens, these challenges that you are experiencing, you know that it didn't come from you, no? You know that this might be an outside factor and it might be a burden of someone na pwedeng sa inyo din ito ipinapapasan, no? Sabihin natin, bakit ako namumroblema ngayon? Hindi ko naman 'to problema niya to, no? Kung sa tutuusin, dapat with the Nine of Pentacles, di ba? Masaya ako. I found out, masaya naman ako. Tapos yung issues sa akin, no? Pwede ring meron ditong parang mga tao or may tao na they're pointing fingers on you, no? With the Queen of Swords, the World card, I feel like lumalapit lang itong taong to kasi may galit. Okay, let's focus on the relationship. You want to change the course, no? There may be some information that I need to butt in apart from the relationship kasi yun po yung mga important message, no? Kasi hindi lang naman po romance ang ipinunta or pinanonood ng mga ibang Sagittarius dito. So, most of you are in relationship, no? But I need to butt in some information that very important na nakikita ko. All right. With the 8 of Wands, the Temperance, the 7 of Cups, the Lovers, and the Hierophant. Is this you na parang sinasabi mo na pwede nating ituloy, no? Itong relationship but not for now. You're not really closing door. Don't get me wrong, especially dun sa mga cross-watchers po, no? Sagittarius is not closing door to you, but they want some distance, they need some freedom, kasi it felt like they are being affected by whatever burdens that the cross-watchers have, na parang naipapasa sa kanila. I believe that the Sagittarius here are starting to make it obvious, no, na I am distancing myself, walking away, no. With a Hierophant in here, it's not that ayaw kitang tulungan, di ba? Ito nga siguro yung pinakamagandang tulong na magagawa ni Sagittarius, yung bigyan din ng time yung person, no, to think and to figure it out. Because I feel like, paano na lang kung wala si Sagittarius, no? Paano na lang kung wala yung mag-guide. So, magulo na ang mundo. Sagittarius loves the person. Don't get us wrong, diba? Mahal niya. Pero this is not my priority for now, sabi ni Sagittarius. And siguro sapat na rin, no? Itong naitulong ko, no? Sapat na rin siguro itong sabihin nating hand, no? Na, or attention, affection, love na naibigay ko. Pero I cannot burden the things that it is not made by me. No? Kasi may buhay din naman ako na sarili at meron din akong sariling mga issues. With the Chariot and the High Priestess, if you are actually looking for a sign, Sagittarius, I think that this is your sign, no, for you to probably distant, not really leave the person behind. You can love the person from afar, diba? You can guide them when they ask, no, but you're setting boundaries. I believe that Sagittarius here, hindi naman siya sa play safe, no? Hindi naman siya sa nililigtas niya yung sarili niya kasi parang bit-bit ko lang to, matuto ka naman, no? Matuto ka namang bitbitin yung sarili mong problema. What I am seeing in here, Sagis, is if you are going to distance yourself, I believe that there will be learnings in here. And this is not the end of the connection. So Sagittarius may distant, walk away, or I mean, move a little far, but not closing the door. No, I'm still open for the connection, pero ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo, no, bago ka lumapit ulit sa akin, no. So that is your reading, Saggy. So let's check here the feelings of Sagittarius, or it could be your person's feelings too, no. Let's check. I miss you, but I don't have time right now, and I love you to the moon and back a million times. So for those numbers of you na parang nanawa na rin, na paulit-ulit tayong away bate, no? I think Sagittarius here is really direct when it comes to saying, ayusin mo yung sarili mo, fix your thoughts. If you want this connection, I'll be fine. Pero hindi pwedeng pabalik-balik tayo dito, no? Away bate, away bate, away bate. Not for me, no? Madami kong ginagawa, no? And in fact, meron ako mga dreams, aspirations na gusto kong ma-achieve, no? Kung wala kang ang maldita, kung wala kang pangarap, ako meron, no? Tsaka mo ako balikan kapag fix na ang isip, pag fix na ang isip mo. So, ayun. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Taurus, Gemini, Pisces, baka kapwa Sagittarius ito, Leo, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio. Yan. So this is your reading, Sagis. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Sagis, kung hindi nyo po maabutan ang live session sa Babaylan TV, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi naman kayo satisfied or feeling nyo talaga hindi kayo masasatisfied sa yes or no, sa description box po ng video, meron po ako dun link. Click the link. All you have to do is to click the link or copy the link. You'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form. How much per question? Nandun po yung QR code, no? Nandun din po yung name. Doon lang po ako magta-transact for your reference. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box, no? Sagis, take advantage of it. So Sagittarius. Now, I wanted to know that tuloy pa rin ang manhunt natin sa mga fake accounts, no? Kasi kawawa naman yung mga nabibiktima. Wala naman natatanggap na reading, no? So, nandun po sa description box yung fake accounts. Pwede nyo po siyang i-report. Take a screenshot of it. Email nyo doon sa designated email for a chance to win a free reading for me, no? Or with me. So, Sagis, love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading. Goodbye.